Okay, good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's doing well today. I'm getting ready to I'm getting ready to make another collard green casserole. This will be my third collard green that I have. I thought it would be the second, but it's the third one that I made casserole. And I have some collard greens that was left from last week. I'll be using. Okay. So now I'm putting my cornbread in. I have one package of cornbread mix. Now you can make your own cornbread if you don't want to use the cornbread.
Jiffy, if you don't want to use Jiffy Cornbread, y'all, please feel free to make your own.
Okay. So I will read my scripture now. Greater love has no one than this, that he lies down his life for his friends. John 15, verse 13. Thank you. This is my cornbread mix that I have, and I'll be spreading it. I've already put in some spray at the bottom of the glass casserole. So I'll be spreading the cornbread mix.
And that is Jiffy Cornbread, y'all. 1 box of Jiffy Cornbread mix.
Okay. Now I'll be mixing in the collard greens that I have here.
And she don't have to season the collard greens, y'all, because they leftover collard greens, so they already seasoned. But she usually seasons them. And also, we didn't have the turkey bacon that we used to put in there, so we use the meat from a turkey neck. But you can put pork bacon, turkey, chicken, whatever you want. And sometimes we put chicken in it, but today we're just doing the collard greens.
So I have the mashed up cream cheese in here that I will be putting into the collard greens. Okay. This is 8 ounces, which is the full package. I think is 8 ounces.
And this is what she used. And again, y'all, you just season your frozen greens however you want it. You can use if you have leftover greens from fresh greens, you can also use that in there. It's delicious. When I say delicious, it's delicious. We had one of her subscribers was using it in cooking contest in her classes to be a chef, and she won first place every time with this. So it's delicious recipe.
All right, thank you. So I'm getting ready to put them into the cornbread mix. Okay.
And you add whatever, because usually we do put the red and green peppers and all that, but it's like I said, it was already cooked, so we just just doing so we can use the collard greens that were left over.
Then also these collard greens have tell me these have a little bit of turnips in them. So.
It have turnips in them. She cut turnips up in them, so they have turnips in them too.
Okay. So now I'll be putting in my cornbread mix on top.
gonna need performance.
I want to make sure that they are covered though. So your cornbread will come out on top and your greens won't be on top of the cornbread. Just a little bit more, where I have some spots here that I want to cover up. That's it. Okay. It's ready for the oven now.
And how long does it cook?
Okay, your oven is at 350. If you want to cook it higher, I don't know. It depends on what kind of oven you have and what kind of stove you have. But normally it will come out at 350 for about 30 minutes. If they're, now I can't tell you for the other, these are frozen, all frozen greens. I think I do have, I don't think I have one there with the fresh greens. If I do, yeah, I might have to look that one up. But about 30 minutes is about the length of time that you'll take with the frozen greens, okay? So thank you, and I'm going to put them in the oven.
We'll be back once they're finished. Thank you. I'm sorry, I didn't have the light on. Here's a finish of her collard green casserole, y'all. This is how it looks. Sorry about that. I thought the camera was on.
For a second, I was like, hold on.
Here.
What is there?
Money.
Okay, they're very good because they're coming back for the second helping.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, it's off the chain, and this is the third collard green casserole that I have up right now. So for those that didn't see it earlier, last year, this year, now you see. Now you can kind of get ready for the fall and for the holidays. All
And
right,
y'all, she had a subscriber that won. They put in a whole lot of competition and won every competition with this recipe. She let Miss Lena know. So it's a very good recipe. I hope each and every one of you try it.
Thank you all so much.
Thank you all the channel members, the subscribers, the followers, the people that view, and we just want to thank you, and we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you very much.
I guess they do like it. They're showing they're eating it, so you don't have to worry about it. And they're not gonna say bye because they're just eating it up. Okay, y'all be blessed from Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. I kind of broke.